Hello everybody. This is lesson 6 of unit 1, and this is the last lesson on describing trend data. In this lesson we will see a model answer for the given bar chart in the previous lesson. You remember the task was about who uses the internet. Here we have a model answer. Now this is the introduction. As you can see, the bar chart shows, and now you are familiar with this phrase, changes in the percentage. Again, this is the vertical axis, if you remember, percentage of age groups. Age groups, you remember the key on the right, of internet users. This is taken from the title in Taiwan because, between 1998 and 2000, and here these years are clear in the horizontal axis. So this is the introductory sentence, and all the elements are there. Now the general idea: in general, two groups used the internet far more than the other two groups. So he is giving a general idea here. The body paragraphs, here we have two paragraphs, as you can see, and I separated them. Each idea, specific idea, is discussed in one paragraph. And I told you earlier, you can either make them one paragraph or separate them. Now, the first idea, one of the most important things to note is that, again, you remember this phrase, the main users of the internet in Taiwan were young adults between 16 and 30 years. So this is specific. This is one age group, 16 to 30 years. The example now. For example, in 1998, there were more than half of all users, even though their percentage, is talking about the percentage, dropped slightly. You see, dropped slightly in 1999 and 2000. The second idea, another thing which stands out in this chart is that, see, this is a new phrase. Another thing which stands out in this chart, you can learn these phrases to use them, is that what the second biggest group of users was aged between 31 and 50. Again, this is a specific idea. Only he's talking about only one age group, 31 to 50. The example, for instance, they made up 41% in 1998, falling slightly in 1999 and 2000 to 39% and 37% respectively. This is another way of, again, introducing information. If you mention two things, you see here, he is talking about two percentages in 2 years, and you want to show that the first percentage mentioned, which is 39%, refers to the first year, and the second percent refers to the second year, so you use respectively. All right? The conclusion, in short, again the phrase, you are familiar with that, while adults between 16 and 50 represented the great majority of internet users in Taiwan, so he is comparing one to all. So this is a general idea. Their share declined as more children and older users joined the web. Again, he's talking about children and older people. And if you look at the number of words, it's almost 150. So this is a good, let's say, number that we can reach. All right. So compare this model answer to what you have written and see what mistakes have you committed.